Right, so more progress. So we've been ripping more things out there. Need to get skipping here really. So ripped a load of that out. That was some spare plasterboard. All the waste getting ready to go. This room is going to be soil stack across there, 2 toilets there, sinks, there'll be a door here, door there, wall here. So this is going to be our space. We're probably going to turn that some sort of kitchen area. I'm going to extend this out here. As we come in, there's going to be that staircase that's going here now. So we're going to run that staircase up there as a fire exit for upstairs. That's where there's going to be a door there for the toilets in there. All of the floor protection's laid now. What are we doing? The base coat's on, some of it. Tomorrow and Monday's the big day really. But all the plastering's fully done. If you see that, they've done a great job. It's all fully dried now as well. So all the ceiling is all dry. Cables for the lighting, cameras. Start painting in this room. As you can see, got rid of that, oily. This is just the base coat, so we've just brought this in here now. So this is like a little forklift. We've got strap lead on there, got the ladders, just been taken down. All the light in there, just got that light to take down, secure. And then yeah, tomorrow is going to be painting in here, Monday's painting in there. Once we get this painted away, it's going to look totally different. Same with in here as well actually. Get that nicely painted, it will totally transform it. But we're going to put a different staircase here. We've got a company, they do very, very cool ironmongery, but more so sort of steel work. So we're going to put a really cool staircase here, not this one. Move that one over there, because that needs to be for the fire exit there. And yeah, all of this is going to change as well. The company's going to put all of their, not going to say too much yet, but all their items will be across here, which will look so nice. So we're just waiting on the lighting for all this to come. We're going to turn that into a special room. You have to wait and see for that. That is going to be so cool. I will tell you what that is if you keep watching. It's going to be awesome. All of that to be painted. Second coat over here as well. Keep your eyes peeled for that. Looking forward to that. So we're making moves. We are making good moves. We've got all the guttering to do outside. Gonna get that sanded down tomorrow and Monday. All the guttering on both sides. And then painting outside, painting all of this. So it's coming on. It's coming on, guys. You know, it all just takes time, right? It takes time, it takes money, a lot of effort, a lot of creativity, thought. But I'm happy with the progress, you know, amongst everything else, talking to the suppliers and just trying to sort everything out. It takes its toll. There's a lot to do, like, you know, opening a place like this, before you even open your doors, there's a huge amount of spend, time and money and everything. It all just takes time. So keep on pushing, keep on driving. Yeah, we're getting there. We're back. It's a new day. We're out here. Hair's everywhere. 5:50 in the morning. And you know what, today I should be training. Should be lifting weights today. But, you know, sometimes you got to roll with it. Yeah, you got to have a plan. I really wanted to do my weights today because that's what I always do on a Thursday. However, the Whoop told me, he said your recovery is down, your sleep could be better, you need a day off. Now that doesn't mean a day off completely, that just means a day like less strain basically. That's what Whoop's really good with. That's really weird. I'm looking ahead. It looks like there's a figure in the distance that's not moving. That's just bizarre. We're going to find out what that is in a minute. So it said, no weights today. Now normally, the younger, maybe a bit more naive me would have said, nope. I said I'm doing it, all right? And there is a level of that. But I've noticed when it comes to recovery, when it comes to consistency, when it comes to wanting to get to where you want to get to, there is times where you got to listen. Okay, I know I didn't used to be very good at that in my 20s. I was awful at that actually. Now I'm not, because I'm looking at the long run. So today, to walk, maybe a small bit of bike indoors, but follow it. Normally my recovery on Whoop is about 80 to 90%, which is pretty good. Today it's 20. It's in the red and it's 20. So I didn't feel great yesterday. Lots happening. So do you know what? Still get up, still get out, still get moving. Just bank the session for tomorrow. So that is what we'll do. Biceps and shoulders will get you tomorrow. But for today, a lighter one. Lots happening, lots going on. Yesterday, as you saw, dealing with things as they come, and it happens very regularly. It's interesting having this whoop because it sees the spikes. It said to me yesterday, it was like, your stress is slightly higher today than usual. I'm like, yeah, of course it is. Dealing with things. So we just keep getting up, keep dealing with it, and keep on moving. Today, going to Burford soon, the next couple of hours. So just get up, get out, get moving. Did I want to get up today? No. Did I want to move? No. Do I really want to deal with some of the things that I need to deal with? No. But you know what? Do it anyway. Because the more you do it anyway, the more you get used to it, the more it becomes normal, and the more you get things done. And that is the key here. It either gets done or it doesn't. So I'm up, I'm out, I'm moving, positive, and bring some positive vibes. Gonna hit some mindfulness shortly, get in the zone, and go attack another day and have it. Because at the end of the day, there is these things that we're dealing with all the time, and there's many other things that I'm sure everyone watching is dealing with, but you've got to look at it and go, right, I've got a choice here. I can make it positive or I can keep it negative. So I'm going to keep it positive no matter what. If there's a negative, there has to be a positive. So we're going to focus on the good. We're going to get up, we're going to move. We woke up today, so something wonderful already happened today, because there's plenty of people that didn't wake up today, and there's people in my life that I wish I still had in my life that didn't wake up again. There was one day where they just did not wake up. So we're up, we're alive, let's go. Thankful, grateful. Let's have a great day. So yeah, let's get it. Let's roll. So right now, get the walk, bit of cardio, bike, work, lots of work, good, which is very good, which is what we want. Cannot complain with that. Make hay while the sun shines. And there's a saying that I heard, and I say it regularly now, is that everything is working out perfect. Everything is working out perfect. Everything is working out perfect. And isn't it interesting when you go through life and you look, when something happens to you and you go, oh my goodness, what, this is some chaos. Firstly, remember, chaos is opportunity. Always, there's always an opportunity in chaos. But also that when you look back on things, when something's happening, you look back later on and you go, although that wasn't great at the time, that worked out very, very well. So always look for the opportunity. So that is what we shall do. Keep looking for those opportunities.